Hey guys, what does media upload mean on Snapchat? On Snapchat, media upload refers to the process of adding and sharing media files like photos, videos, or other content from your device's gallery or camera roll to your Snapchat account. This feature allows you to upload media that wasn't captured directly through the Snapchat app, giving you more flexibility to share memories or other content with your friends or on your story. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the plus button right here at the top right, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just switch to director mode by clicking director mode, and then you're gonna click the last option right here, import media, so you can add your photo or video as a snap to your Snapchat. In 2024, this feature might also include additional functionalities like enhanced editing options, filters, and the ability to include media in specific Snapchat features such as Spotlight or public stories. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like us.